Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Tasty Bite Eatables Limited Quarter 3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss quarter on quarter and year on year results. Tasty Bite Eatables Limited business is not related to seasonal, so we will give importance for year on year and quarter on quarter. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. Here amount in millions. Year on year means we will compare December 20 results with December 19 results. Quarter on quarter means we will compare September 20 results with December 20 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 113 crores. This year 118 crores. That means here 5 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 4% year on year revenue was increased. Later other operating income. Previous year 20 lakhs. This year 20 lakhs. So we'll ignore it. Next one is other income. Previous year 10 crores, this year 4 crores. So here approximately 6 crores was decreased. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 76 crores, this year 77 crores. So both are same, we will ignore it. Changes in inventories. Previous year 50 lakhs, this year 1.6 crores credited, we will ignore it. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 8.2 crores, this year 8.4 crores, we will ignore it. Later finance cost. Previous year 90 lakhs, this year 30 lakhs. Here 60 lakhs interest was decreased. What we understood based on this interest is they reduced their debt and also they have minimum debt. That is positive point. Later depreciation. Previous year 4.3 crores, this year 4.2 crores, we will ignore it. Other expenses, previous year 17 crores, this year 16.7 crores, we will ignore it. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 113 crores to 118 crores. Other income decreased from 10 crores to 4.8 crores. Later, finance cost decreased from 90 lakhs to 30 lakhs, that means they have minimal debt, that is positive point. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 18.2 crores, this year 17.7 crores. Here approximately 50 lakhs was decreased, we'll check it in percentage. Here 2.4% year on year decreased. Later, tax expense, current tax. Previous year they paid 4.7 crores, this year 3.9 crores. Total tax expenses, previous year 4.5 crores, this year 4.2 crores. Later, profit after tax. Previous year 13.6 crores, this year 13.4 crores. Here 20 lakhs was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 1.4% year on year decrease. What we understood based on year results is Tasty Bites year on year results are flat. Now we'll compare quarter on quarter. Revenue from operations. Previous year 90 crores, this year 118 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 30.9% quarter on quarter increase. This is good sign. Later other income. It was decreased from 5.3 crores to 4.8 crores. Cost of material consumed. Here previous quarter 60 crores, this quarter 77 crores. Here cost of material consumed increased. Finance cost. Previous quarter 20 lakhs, this quarter 30 lakhs. Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 14.1 crore, this quarter 17.7 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 25.3% quarter on quarter increased. Later, profit after tax. Previous quarter 10.5 crores, this quarter 13.4 crores. Why means here if you check tax expenses, previous quarter they paid 3.6 crores, this quarter 4.2 crores. We'll check profit after tax in percentage. Here 27.5% quarter on quarter increased. This is good sign. Tasty Bite year on year results are flat and quarter on quarter results are good. This is positive sign. Here profit margin in quarter 3 and quarter 2. In quarter 3 is 11.3 and quarter 2 is 11.6. So here profit margins are flat. Here we have one important point, that is 7 point. During quarter 3 of financial 21, the company made additions to its property, plant and equipment of INR 280 million, that means 28 crores, towards capacity expansion for the new ready to heat. So they spent 28 crores and added capacity expansion, that is positive sign. Next one is additionally, the company plans to undertake further capitalization of approximately INR 1500 millions, that means 150 crores over the period of next 3 years. That means they are going to spend 150 crores for next 3 years for expansion of the plants. That is positive sign. Due to that one, their revenues will be increased. Now we'll check valuation of Tasty Bites. P before results is 103. P after results is 104. Here P was increased 1 point. This is a negative sign. Currently Tasty Bite P is 104. That means this is overvalued. Pros are flat year on year results and good quarter on quarter results. Minimal debt. Cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 74. Current PE is 104. If you compare with 3 years median PE, current PE is overvalued. Why Tasty Bites PE is high means June results are affected. Due to that one, PE was affected. We'll see June results. In June quarter, Tasty Bites got 1.4 crore profit after tax. Due to low profits, their PE was affected. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.